saraswati deve gauravani pracharine nirvishesha sunyavade paschata deshatarine. Hare Krishna. I'm gonna tell you a story about King Ambrish. He was a great devotee of Lord. Once upon a time, King Ambrish was doing a 1-year fast. And when it was time to break that fast, he called Durvasa Muni. And Durvasa Muni said, I'm gonna go to the Ganga river and don't break the fast until I come. So then Durvasa Muni went to the Ganga river. And Ambrish Maharaj was waiting. But then all of his people said, just break the fast. It's been 1 year until you did the fast. Imagine how hungry you are. And then Ambrish Maharaj said, no, I can't do it because I have to wait for Durvasa Muni. But then the devotees said that, please just drink water and break the fast. Water counts as breaking the fast and not breaking the fast. So then Ambrish Maharaj drank some water, a little of water, but then Durvasa Muni saw him drinking the water and he got very, very mad. And then he spawned a very big demon. But then Lord Krishna's Sudarshan Chakra chopped off his head and started following Durvasa Muni. Durvasa Muni ran and it was just 6 feet away from his head. He ran and he found Brahmaji. He said to Brahmaji, can you please help me? But then Brahmaji said, no, I can't help you because Lord Krishna spawned the Sudarshan Chakra at you. So then Durvasa Muni went to Shivji and asked him for help. But Shivji also said, no, I can't help you. I'm sorry. And then Durvasa Muni's last option was Lord Krishna. He went to Lord Krishna and said, please help me. And also Lord Krishna said no. Then Durvasa Muni ran and back to Ambrish Maharaj and asked him, can I say sorry to you? Can I be relieved from this danger? Then Ambrish Maharaj said, it's okay. You are bigger than me. You are Durvasa Muni. I am a devotee of you. You shouldn't be asking sorry for me. And then Ambrish Maharaj said, it's okay. That's all. And that was the story of King Ambrish. And also, all of you give me some blessings so I can be a successful man and help Vaishnavas. And yeah, thank you very, very much.